Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is the video lecture number 3 of week 8, task 1. Chapter is nutrition. And in this video I will discuss about urea. The difference between the organic and inorganic fertilizers is not always clear cut. Urea, for example, is an organic compound, but chemically synthesized urea is generally grouped with inorganic fertilizers. So here are the environmental hazards related to fertilizer use. First one is eutrophication. So what is eutrophication? The high solubilities also degrade ecosystems through eutrophication, which means increase in chemical nutrients in an ecosystem. So eutrophication is the increase in chemical nutrients in an ecosystem. Second one is less nutrient holding capacity of soil. Soil is unable to hold the nutrients that is essential for plant growth. So here you can watch the barren and uncultivated lands. The soil don't have any potential to grow plants. Third one is emission of greenhouse gases such as nitrous oxide. So nitrous oxide is emitted through excessive use of fertilizers in agriculture. Fourth one is acidity of soil by using ammonia. This extra ammonia can also increase soil acidity. Ammonia gas may be emitted from the inorganic fertilizers. The pest problem is too critical nowadays in Pakistan. So here are desert locusts, which are too destructive for crops. They are gregarious. I mean to say that they attack in groups over crops. And by increasing the use of fertilizer, there will be pest problem. And their reproduction rate would be also higher. You might have seen in Rawalakot that there is a pest problem of snails nowadays. But in ancient times, it was not a problem. So it is due to the excessive use of fertilizers. Here is nitrate leaching and groundwater contamination. Contamination means addition of pollution. Leaching means to percolate down, to seep down through the surfaces of soil and adding inside groundwater. So by excessive use of fertilizer, there would be nitrate leaching, which will contaminate our groundwater table and groundwater resources. For these reasons, it is suggested that nutrient content of the soil and nutrient requirements of the crop should be calculated before the application of inorganic fertilizers, because due to excessive use there would be eutrophication, there would be nitrous oxide emission, and there would be ammonia gas emission, and it will create soil acidity, there would be pest problem, and there would be increase in reproduction rate of pests, and soil nutrient holding capacity will be low. So pests are those organisms which deteriorate, which spoil the quality and quantity of crops, or human resources. So, desert locusts are common pest in Pakistan. And now it's time to discuss the home tasks for the day one, that are reading and memorizing concepts from textbook pages 140 to 142. Write about the role of micronutrients and macronutrients in plant life. Write the role of nitrogen and magnesium. What is the importance of fertilizers? What are the environmental hazards related to fertilizer use? That was all about the nutrition and importance of fertilizers. I hope this lecture was a good source of information for you. Thank you and have a nice day.